Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to do question number 2. So let us start. The table shows some values for y is equal to 2 into 0.5 power x minus 1. And the first part is complete the table. So put x is equal to 0, this will be 2 into 1 because anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1, this will be equal to 1. And if we put 2, this would be 2 into 0.5 whole square minus 1, which is 0.5 minus 1, which is minus 0.5. So minus 0.5. Because 1 0.5 and 1 2 will get cancelled, 1 0.5 will remain. Okay. Now on the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to. So we need to translate these points into the graph. So let us try that. Minus 1, it is 3. So this is the point. When it is minus 0.5, it is 1.83. So this is 1.9, so it will be somewhere over here in between 1.8 and 1.9. And when it is 0, it is 1. So we can see that 0.410. So let us check 0.41. So this is 0.4, almost here. Oh no, sorry. So for 0.5 it is 0.41. It would be here, and for 1 it is 0. And the other 2 points are minus 0.29, minus 0.5. So minus 0.29. So this is 0.2. Very close to 0.3. This is 0.29. And for 2 it would be minus 0.5. So this will be somewhere over here. Sorry. Minus 0.5 means exactly in the middle. Okay. So these are the points. And now let us draw the picture. So the graph that is required is join these points as clearly as possible. So my graph won't be correct because I am drawing on a tablet and I'm not an artist. So it will be something like this. This is the graph that we can draw. Okay, so you need to point out, show all the points correctly and then draw it. So let me do it once again. So this is the last point. Okay, so this is the graph. Now let us go to the second part. By drawing a suitable straight line, solve the equation 2 into 0.5 whole power x plus 2x minus 3.5 is equal to 0. So what is given here? Plus 2x minus 3.5 is equal to 0. That implies 2 into 0.5x minus 1 plus 2x minus 2.5 is equal to 0. So if I take it to the other side, 2 into 0.5x minus 1 is equal to 2.5 minus 2x. So therefore, solve the equation. That means the line, equation of the line required is y is equal to 2.5 minus 2x. So if I put x is equal to 0, it will be 2.5, y will be 2.5, and if I put x is equal to 1, y will be 0.5. So let us put those two values first and then let us draw it. So if I put x is equal to 0, it will be 2.5. So 2.5, x is equal to 0, it would be 2.5. And for x is equal to 1, it is 0.5. So we need a line that passes through these two. Okay. So this is something like this. So let us rearrange this, and yes, so this is the curve that we require, and we should check where it is joining. So it is joining somewhere in between 1 and 1.5. So this point. So in our case, this is equal to 1.3 something. So the value of x where they are joining is 1.325 because it is in the middle. I am taking its value as in between 1.3 and 1.35. So it will be 1.325. So that is the answer. Okay. So for these answers, you don't have a fixed value because this curve, even though you can draw it smoothly, it will vary for different people. So you will have a range. So if you can get the answer in between 1.3 or 1.4, I think every answer would be the correct answer. Okay. So let us go to the last part. There are no solutions to the equation 2 into 0.5x minus 1 is equal to k, where k is an integer. So if you think about it, this is an exponential and this is always positive. And so if it is always positive, that is 2 into 0.5x is greater than or equal to 0. So 2 into 0.5x minus 1 will always be greater than or equal to minus 1. And so the highest possible value of k, where k is an integer, there are no solutions. So that means if k is less than or equal to negative 1, there are no solutions. So what is the highest possible value of k? The highest possible value of k is negative 1. And what is the asymptote to the graph? So if you see, an exponential graph will have generally x-axis as the asymptote, but here we have added minus 1. So the asymptote moves down and the asymptote is the line y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is the asymptote, and this finishes the question. Important question. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.